Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. It's Wednesday, August the 4th, 2021. We have two puzzles left in this additional, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 3197. And before I start, I always count. No. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. And then between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. And I know here, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Let me see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s, between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Okay. I think we need to compare. Alright. 11. Okay. This column and that column. 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. Yes, need to compare again with this column and that column. Alright, so we have an empty box. 1 1 O O O O 1 1 1 1 O O empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, 4 1s we have, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. in a few seconds with the fourth and last puzzle. In this additional, it will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.